all come together once a year and we're able to share a meal together. And it's the peak of the season. Gardens are at their peak and the animals are fat and just about to go off of grass. It's the time to harvest and celebrate.
Marble Distilling Company is so excited to be here tonight at Sustainable Settings, an amazing setting right at the base of Mount Sopris in the heart of Carbondale, Colorado, and truly a setting that feels like you're part of the earth. We are here for a magical evening, really celebrating what can be and should be in the minds of everybody. Enjoying life, being sustainable, promoting and thinking about future generations in a way that really helps enhance the lifestyle, not only for us today, but for the kids in the future. Marble Distilling Company was really founded on this concrete effort to be sustainable. Connie Baker had the vision of not only creating something that she wanted to really pursue and be passionate about, which is distilling, but really pursue it in a way that is very green, very organic, in a way that really gives back to the environment and really helps others behind Connie, other distillers to come in the future behind us, to really learn from our efforts, to learn that there are grants available, to learn that there are ways about being sustainable that allow you to pursue production of what makes you successful, what makes you happy, but yet at the same time, do it in a way that's conscientious to the environment.
Sustainable Settings is a 240-acre ranch, but I don't own it. It's really yours, it's a community.